Welcome to another Mimu tutorial video. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how to set up delivery for your venue. First we must navigate to the venue settings page. This is done by going to the menu structure and clicking on your venue. Scrolling down we can see other service settings. Under here we are able to turn on and off the delivery service. Scrolling down further, we can see that you are able to select the days of the week which you offer delivery services. For instance, if you wish to make a delivery on Monday, simply check that on. If you wish to not make a delivery on Tuesday, simply check it off. Moving further down, we see that we have options for ASAP delivery or delivery windows. When we select on the ASAP delivery, that is for delivery services where you're offering an almost immediate delivery, i.e. if you're preparing hot food and you will make the food and deliver it directly to your customers, you may wish to use ASAP delivery. The ASAP delivery limit that you can see in this window is used to set the maximum time that it will take you to deliver it to your customer. Your customer will see in their receipt of their order the fact that if this is set to 30 minutes, that their delivery will be delivered within a 30-minute window. You are able to have the ASAP delivery on simultaneously to delivery windows. Also, one thing worth noting is you cannot make an ASAP delivery if your venue is closed or you are within the ASAP limit of the end of the day. For instance, if you are set to 30 minutes, you will not be able to make a delivery or accept an ASAP delivery after 2300. Moving further down, you have the delivery window. The delivery windows are set to allow you to have fixed deliveries during the day, i.e. if you wish to make one single delivery where you bring multiple deliveries together and deliver them in one delivery window, you would set the time, for instance, between 12 to 3 o'clock. In this delivery window you would gather multiple orders and then you would deliver them all at once. It is worth noting that when you look at the order lockout period, you will not be able to accept an order up to 30 minutes before the 12 o'clock delivery window. You can see this from the helpful information underneath the delivery window. But if you wish to have more than one delivery window, we will allow up to 5 delivery windows to be set within the day. It is possible to have them set as overlapping, so you may be able to do multiple deliveries throughout the day. The delivery acceptance window in the number of days is how many calendar days you will allow your users to make pre-orders or pre-bookings for their items, i.e. in this case they will see 60 days that they are able to advance or make a prepayment for a delivery. You can simply change this to any time any amount you like, i.e. we may only want them to be able to pre-book up to 30 days. Also, it's worth noting the order lockout period can be changed, and this can be set to 0 if you do not wish to have a 30-minute lockout period before your delivery window. Your delivery service fee can be changed by changing this box here. This can be set anywhere from 0 to any value you like. This will automatically be added to any delivery order that you receive. From here, once we make our changes, you simply need to go back up to the menu and back to current orders, and you can continue processing orders. Thank you very much for listening.